If your Windows security is blank, just like this, you can follow my steps to resolve it pretty easily. Simply go and click on the Start menu icon and open Settings from above. Now, from the left panel, select System, scroll down and click on System Components. Here is a complete list of Windows 11 system components. Just locate Windows Security, click on this icon, and select Advanced Options. Now just simply scroll down, first click on the Terminate button to close the Windows Security running in the background, then click on this Repair button, and Windows will repair it for you. After it finishes, go and see if this fixes the issue. You can also reset it to its default state, as the component isn't working right. After following these steps, restart your PC, and now go to the lower right side of your screen. Click here to extend the icons and just open Windows Security from here. Hopefully this method will fix the issue.